Hello, in this video I show you the location and how to remove and replace the windscreen washer pump on Volkswagen, Seat, Skodas, Audis. For most vehicles of the VW group, the procedure is similar. We can see there is the washer pump tank right there. That's the washer pump cap, and the washer pump tank is going down there. But you can't see the washer pump from here. In order to get access to the washer pump, we need to remove the wheel and wheel arch liner, and then we'll have access to the washer pump. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next, we'll remove the wheel arch liner. Now that the wheel arch liner is removed, we have access to the windscreen washer pump. It's right there on the windscreen washer tank. There is two hoses going to it and one electrical connector. We'll start by removing the two hoses that go into the washer pump. If there is washer fluid in the tank, when you remove the pump, everything will spill out like that. Next, I remove the electrical connector. Right, after everything is removed, next I'm going to put on the new washer pump and put everything back in the reverse order. And as the washer pump replaced, hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.